Tap the hat. It changes. Tap the glasses. Brand new look. Want to create this click-to-style dress-up game in Scratch? Let's get into it. Pixel's waiting. Hey, Pixel. Ready to be our fashion model today?
Ready?
Hold on. Before we jump in, try solving this one. First, go to the Scratch Sprite library and pick a character from the fashion section. I'm choosing Harper. She already has a few costumes ready. Each costume is a different outfit. Now, let's add 4 accessory sprites: a hat button, glasses button, dress button, and shoe button.
Ooh, this is like my own dressing room dashboard.
Let's start by coding the hat button. Go to the events category on the left
Computer me?
and drag out the block. When this sprite clicked, place it in the coding area. This tells Scratch what should happen when the hat button is clicked. Think of it like this. You know how when you press the power button on your TV remote, the TV turns on? That's exactly what we're doing here. Now, we want to send a message to the hat when this button is clicked. Still in the events category, grab the block Broadcast Message 1. Click the drop-down arrow and select New Message. Name it Hat. Just like that, lowercase. In our code, when you click the hat button, it's like sending a text message that says hat to everyone in your Scratch project. Only the hat sprite is listening for that specific message, so only the hat will change.
So now it's like the button is shouting, "Hey, hat, change your look!"
Let's use this same idea for the other buttons. Drag the code to the hat, dress, and shoes buttons. Now just update the broadcast message names to glass, dress, and shoes for each button.
Like a remote control for all my outfits.
Now let's code the hat sprite. We want it to listen for the hat message and switch to the next costume. Alrighty, time to add 5 more sprites to style things up. I'm heading straight to the sprite library. Let's go into the fashion category and pick a hat first. Pop it right into place. Now we need a few more fashion pieces. A dress, some cool glasses, a pair of shorts, and of course, shoes. All of them are waiting for us in the same fashion section. Let's grab them! Now click on the sprite. Let's say the hat. Then head over to the Costumes tab. That's where you'll find all the different looks or styles this sprite can wear. All right! Now click on the hat sprite and then head over to the Code tab. From the Events category, drag When I Receive Hat. Then go to the Looks category and grab Next Costume. When you click the hat button, it sends the message hat. The hat sprite hears it.
Hey, Nova, what if we add a little jerk effect when the costume changes? You know, like a mini bounce to make it look cooler.
Ooh, I love that idea, Pixel. Let's do it. First, click on the hat sprite and go to the Code tab. Now, head over to the Motion category and grab a Change Y by 10 block. This will make the sprite move up a bit. Next, go to the Control category and add a Wait block. Set the wait time to 0.05 seconds so it's quick and snappy. Then, go back to the Motion category and drag another Change Y by 10 block. But this time, change the value to -10 so the sprite comes back down. And ta-da! Now we've got a cute little jerk effect whenever the costume changes. We can use the same code for the other sprites too, like the glasses, dress, and shoes. The only thing you need to change is the When I Receive Broadcast message. For the glasses sprite, change it to glasses. For the dress, make it dress. And for the shoes, use shoes. Easy peasy. Let's make the buttons bounce when clicked, like real buttons. From Looks, add the button gets smaller, change size by -5. Then bigger, change size by 5. Put this above the broadcast block so the animation plays before the message sends.
Now the button's bowing when I click them. Love it!
And that's it. If you had fun coding with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Super Coder Kid for more cool Scratch hacks.
Yeah, and leave a comment if you want us to try a makeover game, a superhero creator, or a dragon costume party.
Bye-bye, Supercoders!